Yeah, so I did attended a online training course in collab where S1 Asia Pac and NPC Malaysia, they collaborated to give a training for IoT IoT course, yeah, in tech farming. And from that I learned that what it opened up my world to so much things that you can do in tech farming. In my case, what I did was I used the sensor that they gave me and made an auto watering system for my home aquaponics system. I can automate the process where if the soil becomes too dry, the pump on and all my plants are watered without me having to do anything about it. Yeah, so the challenges that I faced was like because I didn't know what I don't know. When I attended the training, it opened up a whole new world about Internet on Things in regards to tech farming. So I had to like ask the S1 Asia Pac people. I sent them an email, and they replied me about sensors like pH sensor, total dissolved solids, even temperature that are very useful parameters for my aquaponics system. And also they also recommended that I place a CCTV camera in my system so that I can monitor whenever I'm not around. Let's say if I go to Sabah or overseas, I don't have to worry about what's happening at home in my system because I can just use my phone and look at it. Yeah, so after this, like my whole idea when I learned about IoT is to share this with other people, right? So with these sensors, I can actually help people monitor the systems that I make in their houses. So let's say if like most people that I do things for, they don't have any knowledge on aquaponics system. So with these sensors, I can sense the system's pH, and if there's anything that goes wrong, I can just inform them, and then I can go to their house to maintain it for them, and it will ensure the success of their system. Currently, I have 4 clients. 2 projects I've already done, and I got other projects that I have already designed. So they're upcoming, and because of IoT, then I can ensure the success of all these my clients' projects. Yeah, so when it comes to planting and farming, small parameters in terms of pH, in terms of nutrients in the water affect productivity a lot. And with tech farming, you get to control and maintain the levels of these nutrients all the time. Yeah, so in the future, I think Malaysia, if IoT grows, it will help create a much more productive agriculture sector for Malaysia, and it will help with our food problem that's upcoming. I think the government should provide more trainings to future farmers, especially young people now, where IoT is the future. And if there are more people who are skilled in IoT, in tech farming, I think it will definitely help the growth of our country.